Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from the Venetian Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And we just checked into room number 19308, I believe, on the 19th floor. Okay, so let me give you guys a quick room tour. So first and foremost, the check-in experience was very positive, very good service. We showed up at 11:15-ish, and we didn't even have to ask for an early check-in. We got checked in right away. There was a bit of a line, but it was a very fast-moving line. And yeah, the lady was super helpful, very friendly, very positive. And here we go. Here we are in our room. So we were told at check-in that the fifth floor, or I think the fourth and fifth floor, we wouldn't get a view. So we opted out of that, and therefore we are on the 19th floor now. So what you'll notice here is that the rooms are very spacious, very stylish. It's like a high-end feel. And then as you enter the room, or this is a suite, yeah, it's very spacious, very nice, super clean. Let's see. All right, bathrobes too. Yeah, very well maintained. And it smells good in here, which unfortunately you guys cannot enjoy that benefit, but it does smell well. You have to take my word for it. The Venetian Resort, there it is. So we have 2 queen beds here. And then you have like this balcony, open concept vibe. And then you have a whole couch, seating. You have the mini bar. This is one of those mini bars. If you touch anything, there's a sensor and it will automatically charge you. So we won't be able to use the fridge, unfortunately, for our own products. But yeah, very nice seating area, office, desk. I'm not a big fan of carpets in hotel rooms, but you definitely get the vibe that this is very clean and very well maintained. It's nice and cool in here too. (69 Fahrenheit). Okay guys, so let me know if you've stayed here at the Venetian Resort before. It's my first time here. I've been in Vegas many times, but first time at the Venetian. So if you have any tips, advice, any travel hacks, please share them in the comments section. I would love to get your feedback. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel related content from all over the world. Peace.